Donkey Kong. And ooh, shut my mouth, slap your grandma. There ought to be a law